Welcome to another episode of the House of Wolverine. This week, we will be taking a look at how USS Gerald R. receives supplies underway during replenishments at sea.
For a replenishment at sea, there's a significant coordination between the ship's crew and supply, where the bridge team will work on the specifics of where to meet up with the supply ship, the coming alongside, the restricted maneuvering that they have to undertake, which is a high-risk evolution. Receiving supplies underway allows the ship to stay operational at sea longer. It's a significant effort to pull the ship into port, receive stores, and then get underway again. And it's better for us to just do an alongside a supply ship for a few hours, receive the sustenance and the parts that we need, and then we can get right back to operations within just a few hours. There's two different options for us to bring pallets on board. There's a conrep, which is a conning station where the pallets come over via wire from ship to ship. The other one is a vertical replenishment where we use helos. And a helo will use a sling and literally pick up a pallet, sling it over to the ship, and just drop it off. We'll take it from the flight deck to one of the aircraft elevators, those are the large elevators on the side, and lower it that way, and we'll do 75 to 100 pallets at a time. And then once they're in the hangar bay from the ACE, move them to the stores elevators and lower them down. The stores elevators on the ship is a technological improvement that makes that a lot more efficient than Nimitz-class carriers. The stores elevators are full pallet capable, whereas a Nimitz-class, they have to break down the pallets, load up, do a daisy chain of individuals that hand one box off to another person until they have it into the storage area. Whereas Ford-class carriers can simply roll a pallet onto the elevator, lower the elevator to the proper storage, and then roll the pallet right off into the freezer or into the parts storeroom if they need to. Now, it also allows us to quickly break out items when we need them. Having that efficiency is critical to power projection. I'm pretty blown away by the adaptability of our supply sailors. Being a new class of carriers, the first time anybody's ever executed what they intended to be supply operations. And so we don't have a playbook so much as we have concepts. And then we go and execute the concepts. Some things work, some things don't, and you have to overcome your challenges. And supply department, these sailors, these young sailors have been able to overcome all of these challenges. And it's very impressive to see them want to accomplish this mission. Morale is very high on the ship, and I'm very happy to lead these sailors. They do a great job in writing the SOP for carrier operations for survival.